in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Skate 3 with friends on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Xbox console you have, either Xbox One, Xbox Series S, or of course the focus of this video, Xbox Series X, you will be able to play Skate 3 with your friends. This will be done online. There is an option to do couch co-op, which I'm going to be talking about briefly, but in general, if you want to skate at the same time as your friends, then each of you will need a copy of the game and you need to go online. So pause the game at any point, and in the settings you will have the career tab where you can go over to Xbox Live. So go to career, you will have this little globe icon which should be Xbox Live, and then you will find online challenge map. So in my opinion, the best way to connect with your friends is going to be free skate under online challenge map. You can also choose online team if you want to customize that, but I'm going to be focusing on simply creating the room. When you go over to online challenge map, you will be able to browse through the categories team, career, free skate, and versus. And then if you go over to free skate, you will be able to create a session. So you can join a lobby and you will join with your current online team, as you can see here. You can specify the location and one of you will create the lobby. Everyone will be able to join. You can also go to the globe icon once more, and under the Xbox Live category, on this little cell phone icon or whatever you want to call it, you will have the friends list. This is going to be the easiest way to find your friends who you have on Xbox Live and invite them directly to your free skate room. You can press the share and the menu buttons simultaneously at any point, and this is going to open the old Xbox 360 dashboard. So instead of opening the standard Xbox menu by pressing the Xbox button on your modern controller, press share and the menu button at the same time to see the old Xbox dashboard, where you can also add your friends to your Xbox Live friendship and party list. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.